Your Ford keypad should work for years without issue. However, like any electrical component, sometimes it can fail. We cover some of the most common reasons for it here. The most common issue is when the keypad stops responding completely. This can be due to a faulty car battery. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve the issue, your keypad battery may be dead. In this case, you will need to replace the entire keypad as the battery is integrated into the unit. Remember that every time you replace a keypad, transmitter, or control module, all the transmitters must be reprogrammed at the same time. If you type in the incorrect code 7 times, the keypad will flash and become disabled. This can also happen after 35 consecutive button pushes. Just wait 1 minute before attempting the code again. It is normal for your keypad to not illuminate in extreme cold or under very bright conditions. That's because it goes into power-saving mode. However, if it never illuminates, the battery could be going flat. Another sign of a low keypad battery is the rapid locking and unlocking of the doors after entering your code. In both these cases, you should replace your keypad before it fails completely. Blue Springs Ford Parts stocks a wide range of OEM keypads and parts for your Ford, and our expert team is always on hand to assist. Click on the link below for more information.